Hey everybody, welcome back to America Eats. Today we are going to be making a very simple recipe, homemade caramel corn. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar, some salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Of course, you're also going to need some popped popcorn. You're going to need 10 cups of popped popcorn. Let's begin. And there you have your popcorn. Once the butter has melted, that's 1 cup of brown sugar. You're going to want to mix this very well. At 4 minutes of boiling, you will see the syrup begin to become thicker, and this is when you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Stir this for 1 minute. And then you can add your baking soda. Stir it in until it is all mixed. As you can see, it becomes nice and thick and foamy. Turn it off, and now you're ready to put it on top of the popcorn.
Drizzle this mixture on top of the popcorn.
Add a little bit of salt to the bottom of the pan. And there you go.